Fairfield-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Chester County and upstate South Carolina until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southwest of Chester, or 7 miles east of Carlisle, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chester, Lynchburg, Chester State Park, Leaf, and Cornwell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSC. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Chester, South Carolina. Counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Greenwood, Lancaster, Lawrence, Newberry, Spartanburg, Union, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 592 has been issued from 2:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Davidson, Davie, Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Warren, Stanley, and Union. And the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Greenwood, Lancaster, Lawrence, Newberry, Spartanburg, Union, and York. Now southwestern Chester County in upstate South Carolina, southeastern Union County in upstate South Carolina until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles southeast of Union, or near Carlisle, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Carlisle, Leaf, and Chester State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSC. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Chester and Union. Warning for eastern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, southwestern Lancaster. central Richland County, central South Carolina, western Kershaw County, and central South Carolina until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Killian, or 7 miles northwest of Dentsville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Forest Acres, Camden, Lake Watery Dam, Dentsville, Arcadia Lakes, Lugal, Westville, villages as Sandhill, Liberty Hill, Elgin, Killian, Woodfield, Sesquicentennial State Park, Lake Carolina, Longtown, Lake Watery State Park, Litherwood, Ridgeway, and North Town Square Shopping Center. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 71 and 77. Interstate 77 between mile markers 16 and 39. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Fairfield and Lancaster. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County in central South Carolina, northwestern Chesterfield County in central South Carolina, northeastern Kershaw County in central South Carolina until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Kershaw, or 14 miles northeast of Lake Watery Dam, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Paglin, Kershaw, Elgin, East Springs, Westville, Mount Pisgah, Buford, Jefferson, High Point Fire Station, North Central High School, Tradeville, Antioch, Kirk Air Base, 40-Acre Rock Preserve, Taxahaw, Pleasant Hill, Kershaw Correctional Institution, Bear Creek Park, and Central High School. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lancaster, South Carolina. Thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, west central Kershaw County in central South Carolina, northeastern Lexington County in central South Carolina, northwestern Richland County in central South Carolina until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Columbia, West Columbia, Irmo, Dentsville, St. Andrews, Oak Grove, Killian, Lake Carolina, Columbia International University, Harbison State Forest, Longtown, Riverbank Zoo, Lake Watery State Park, Litherwood, Ridgeway, Cedar Creek Fire Station, Smallwood, Upper Richland Fire Station, Eau Claire, and Seven Oaks. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile markers 0 and 2. Interstate 26 between mile markers 99 and 110. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 63 and 72. Interstate 77 between mile markers 19 and 39. Most flood events occur in vehicles. Never drive through a flooded roadway or around barricades. Turn around, don't drown. This is the no. National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern McDowell County in western North Carolina, northwestern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southwest of Marion, or 7 miles southeast of Old Fort, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Shingle Hollow, Sugar Hill, Thermal City, Glenwood, Farrow, Union Mills, and Dysersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, McDowell, and Rutherford. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, north central Richland County in central South Carolina, southwestern Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located over Lake Carolina, or 8 miles north of Dentsville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Camden, Lake Watery Dam, Mudall, Lake Carolina, villages as Sandhill, Longtown, Elgin, Bluedale State Park, Killian, Leatherwood, DeKalb, North Town Square Shopping Center, Pine Grove Fire Station, and Woodward Airfield. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 91 and 97. Interstate 77 between mile markers 21 and 29. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Fairfield, South Carolina. A severe thunderstorm warning for central Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Taylorsville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Taylorsville, Love Valley, Vestey, Hignite, Millersville, and Ellendale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Please report repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: 267, Alexander, and Iredell. Severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lower County in central North Carolina, Scotland County in central North Carolina, southwestern Harnett County in central North Carolina, northeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, Hope County in central North Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hoffman, or 8 miles southwest of Southern Pines, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Laurinburg, Southern Pines, Rayford, Carthage, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Hoffman, Antioch, West Spring Pines, and Pine Bluff. protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina. Warning for northern Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warm area in Greenville, Spartanburg, issues of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Taylorsville, Stony Point, Love Valley, Hiddenite, Vashti, Union Grove, Olin, and Allendale. Heavy rain is increasing the risk of landslides, especially in areas where slides have occurred in the past. Be especially alert if you are near a stream, especially at the base of a mountain or in a cove. Watch for loose-moving soil and rocks or a sudden increase in stream flow. Leave the area quickly if this is observed. When driving along roads where the terrain is steep or rocky, watch and listen for falling rocks, mud, trees, and other debris. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. County in upstate South Carolina until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Spartanburg, or near Boiling Springs, South Carolina, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Boiling Springs, South Carolina, Cowpens, Leo, Cowpens National Battlefield, Thickety, and Chestnut. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damage. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee and Spartanburg. NWSGSP. Your message should describe